Hello everyone, welcome to tdsprime.com. In this video, we will see how to fill Smart Form 16 Excel data for 12BA and Salary Annexure. Let's start. Open the folder where you have downloaded Smart Form 16 software. Click on Smart Form 16 Excel template. Here you can see the deductor detail, Form 16 details, perquisites, salary annexure, and heads. In the deductor details, fill the deductor and responsible person detail in this sheet. In the Form 16 details, fill the annual salary details of all the employee in this sheet. In the perquisite sheet, fill the 12BA details for all the employees. In the salary annexure, fill the detail of salary breakup for all the employee in this sheet. In the heads, customize column heads of Form 12BA and Salary Annexure. Use this sheet to customize heads of raw item in perquisites, Salary Annexure heads, and Section 10 and 17 2 heads. This item will be populated in the Form 16 and corresponding Excel sheet. After filling the detail in the Excel template, save the file. I hope this video helps. For feedback and query, feel free to contact us. Thank you.